So now we're going to see how to do a Bedikah. You will need a Bedikah cloth. It's sometimes called a Tahara cloth or an Ed. Those are sold in the mikvaot, or in Israel they're sold in pharmacies. You can also make your own from any material that's white and soft, and usually a natural material like cotton that could be absorbent. Here I have some edim that I bought, Bedikah cloths that I bought. You can try out different kinds of Bedikah cloths to see what you're comfortable with. If some feel too rough, try other ones. This one is a very nice soft one. I take the Bedikah cloth. It's usually square and has a little tail to help it wrap around my finger. It's not necessary. I put it on my finger in a way that you feel comfortable. Basically, you want most of your finger to be covered until your knuckle here. And then you would want to do the internal check, the Bedikah. Learning how to do a Bedikah is really like learning how to use a tampon. You want to find a position that's comfortable for you. You can try a few until you find one that's comfortable. And then you want to insert your finger internally and turn it around to be thorough but very, very gentle. You don't want to scratch yourself. You just want to check the existing conditions right now. It's important to wash your hands before you do this and watch for any sharp nails or anything that could scratch you. Then you take your finger out and you take the Bedikah cloth off. Once the Bedikah cloth is back in your hand, you want to put it on a white surface and look at it in a good light, one that won't be too bright or too yellow, but could give you an idea of the colors on the Bedikah cloth. The Bedikah cloth doesn't have to be completely white. There are many shades of yellow and beige that are fine. If you have a bright red, that would be a problem. And then there are shades of brownish that you want to learn, you want to ask. You might ask a yoetzet or a rabbi, and over time you would probably learn what colors are okay and what colors are problematic. If you're going to ask a question about your Bedikah cloth, you'll have to store it. The question doesn't have to be asked right away. Even if you have the question after a couple of days, it's okay, as long as you kept it in a plastic bag or in a white envelope. Halacha questions are there to help you, so don't hesitate to ask.